What up? What up? So here it is, finally. So I finally pulled the trigger on the Lumix X9, which this is the actual box right here. So upon picking this up, I actually figured that for some reason it was going to be a smaller box, but it is a larger box. So I kind of want to do a kind of first impressions unboxing, if you would say, of the Lumix S9. I do have a video shoot tomorrow, so I'm really looking forward to testing it out. So as soon as you open up the box, you are greeted with Lumix S9 branding at the top end. You have a little bit of paperwork at the top. And here we have the actual battery. It also comes with an actual Lumix strap in the actual purchase. And then here we have the actual body, which we will come back to that in just one bit. So that's it for that side. And here on this side, we have another little box. Let's see what's in here. I think this is gonna be like the charger, maybe. Oh, so this is the actual lens right here. And then we also have the lens. So I did go with the kit lens, which is, I believe, the 18 to 40 mil f4, I believe. I'm not exactly sure on the specs on that, but I know it wasn't that fast. Let me go ahead and put this away. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Put this in the actual box. So again, we have the strap, battery, which is a pretty large battery. I'm definitely gonna have to pick up another extra battery just because I know that I did read that it drains pretty fast, but we're gonna have to test that out tomorrow as well. Nonetheless, it's always really good to have multiple batteries just in case. But so I probably will pick up maybe I don't know, maybe about 3-4 batteries just in case. So this is it right here. So we have the 18 to 40 mil Lumix lens. So I believe this is the f4. And you also have your AF and MF dial switch here, which you could switch from either or, autofocus or manual focus. And then you have your rings right here. Again, it feels pretty solid. Nothing too crazy on the actual build, but nonetheless, I've heard really good things about this actual lens right here. But I'm also really looking to get a wide Sigma lens for the Lumix S9 in the actual future. So this is the actual body right here. And honestly, right off the top, for some reason, I thought that this camera right here was going to be a lot smaller. So I'm definitely really surprised on the actual body. Wow. So as far as size comparison, I mean, it is a pretty solid, good size. I mean, I think it's right in the middle between super small and a medium, really solid size when it comes to the actual body. So you do have the actual screen, flippable, tiltable screen, Lumix branding on the actual screen as well. You have your dial tones here on this side right here. And if you look at the top, you also have obviously your some dial tones. You have the record button. You have the shutter button, your on and off switch. You have your AF on and also a LUT button on the back side of the actual camera. But I'm really liking the actual quality and build of the actual S9. For some reason, I am really fooled because I really thought that this was going to be a smaller body for some reason. Here at the top, you do have obviously a what is that called? Pretty much a I don't know if that's a quarter thread, but again, pretty much you could obviously thread in into your actual tripod. At the bottom, you have the battery department, and also that's where you're going to install the actual SD card at the bottom end of the actual S9. So again, really impressed with the size and build quality of the actual Lumix. I'm really looking forward to testing it out in the actual future. Again, I think I have a video shoot tomorrow, and I also have a video shoot Saturday or Sunday, we'll see. But nonetheless, I do have a couple gigs coming, which I'm really looking forward to using this camera. I really wish I had this camera yesterday because my son Eric graduated high school yesterday, but unfortunately I did not have this camera, which sucks, but it is what it is. So I am going to go ahead and pretty much charge up the battery, hook up the lens. But even with the lens and the body itself, I don't know, it's going to feel pretty solid in the hands. That's what I kind of like. I don't like two super small cameras because, again, I like to feel like I'm actually holding something solid when I'm actually out there shooting. So really happy with the actual design. Now, I did go with the black on black just because if I would have waited to choose, I really wanted the blue one, but that was a little bit more of a longer delay in order for me to get my hands on. So I was like, you know what? Black looks dope. I love black. Hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and use it, shoot some videos and pictures, which I'm really looking forward to. Let me know if you guys want to ask me any type of questions in regards to what you guys want to see in regards to this. But again, there will be multiple videos covering the Lumix S9. So really looking forward to testing it out. Let me know your comments in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram, link in the video description. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.